You guys absolutely have to stop scrolling now. This crispy air fryer chicken schnitzel is about to become your new favorite dinner. It's golden, it's crunchy, juicy, and so easy to make. Just coat your chicken in flour, egg, and panko breadcrumbs and let the air fryer do all the hard work. In just minutes, you'll have the crispiest schnitzel without the hassle of frying. Serve with a fresh mixed salad, plenty of parsley, and a squeeze of lemon. All for that perfect, healthy, high-protein meal. It's really so quick, easy, and absolutely packed with flavour, and guaranteed to be added to your weekly meal plan. It's a win for all the family. Save this recipe and give it a try.